Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the Map Location tool within MapThat. To explore the Map Location tool, let's zoom into street level, and then from the Map Tool menu, open the Map Location tool. Map Location tool split into three sections: Map Coordinates, Identify Coordinates, and Identify Address. The Map Coordinates section shows both British National Grid and longitude-latitude coordinates, so as we move our mouse around the map, the coordinates change. The Identify Coordinates section allows you to click in the map to reveal the exact coordinates for that location, either in British National Grid or in longitude and latitude values. You can then copy and paste those to use elsewhere. Let's change it back to easting and northing, and now we can copy in our own pair of coordinates into both the X and the Y fields. Once the values have been copied in, choose the arrow and the map will go to that specific location. In this case, Liverpool Football Club. The third option available allows you to identify the what three words location for any point in the map. Having changed the setting on the left, when you now click in the map, the what three words location is revealed to the user. In addition, you can copy in your own what three word values. Then press the arrow and the map will go to that specific what three words location. In this case, Everton Football Club. Finally, we have the Identify Address section at the bottom. This gives you the full Google address value for any location in the map. Again, each time you click in the map at a new location, the Google address, including house number, street and postcode, is updated. Section automatically shows a what three words location, and each time you click in the map, the new three what three word values are updated.